Hey everyone, so it's my day 8 actually for my post-thyroidectomy, and after my surgery, it was actually last week, Monday. I asked my doctor, as soon as I got out from the recovery room, I asked my doctor kung kailan ako pwedeng kumanta. Tapos, sabi naman niya, anytime pwede ka nang kumanta as long as hindi strain yung vocal cords mo, or hindi siya ma-force kasi hindi pa niya kaya kasi naghihirap pa siya yung since nagalaw yung keme mo doon. Parang hindi ko ata na-explain kay Doc kung ano yung mga tipo kong kinakanta sa CR. Yung mga gaya nito. Kaya siguro i-rest ko na lang muna yung vocal cords ko.